Recently, I decided to up my luggage game for cruising. My husband and I have long traveled with two 26-inch soft-sided Travel Pro bags and an ever-changing variety of carry-ons. After having everything in my luggage completely soaked on a trip to Costa Rica, where the luggage was transported to a hotel in an open-air truck in the pouring rain, and then in Japan, where the luggage handle on my husband's luggage jammed in the open position, we started to look around for some hard-sided luggage. Just at the time we started to look at our options, I was contacted by the Level8 luggage company to see if I wanted to review their hard-sided cases. I took a look online and their cases looked stylish and practical, so I said yes. The luggage has arrived, so let's unbox it and take a first look together. You are watching Cruising with Dee. Before we unbox, you should know that I was provided with the Level8 luggage free of charge, but I have not received any other compensation to do this review. Also, I am not required to give you a positive review of the luggage. You will get my honest opinion, good or bad. I'm showing you my unboxing of the Level8 luggage so you can see my unfiltered initial opinion. In the next couple of months, I'll be taking the luggage along on several trips, including on a long cruise to South America and Antarctica, so I will have a full review for you after I've put the luggage through some paces. If you decide you'd like to purchase some Level8 luggage, I have a link for you in the video's description to the Level8 website with codes for up to 20% off. We're going to look at the Roadrunner Pro 20-inch carry-on with laptop pocket and charging port, the Voyageur 28-inch check-in luggage with wide handle, and the Luminous 28-inch textured check-in luggage. All of the Level8 luggage I'm looking at today is made of polycarbonate, which is lighter than most of the aluminum hardside luggage on the market, and all of them have 4 spinner wheels and built-in TSA-approved locks. All right, let's open some luggage. We are unboxing some Level8 luggage that we've just been sent by the Level8 luggage company. This luggage, we have 4 pieces that we're going to be taking on some cruises with us. We're going to take this luggage to Antarctica, and we're very excited because we really needed some hardside luggage, and we are very thrilled to see what this luggage is like. So let's see what we have. This luggage here is a 24-inch Luminous luggage from Level8. So it's a medium-sized luggage. It is checkable luggage, but for me, when I travel alone, I don't like really heavy luggage, and this is just like a nice medium weight. Boxing is nice, easy delivery. This little handle on the top is great for both my delivery man and us getting this down the hall in our house. Came very promptly. I think it took about 3 or 4 days to get it once we ordered it. There we go. Oh, look, it comes in a really nice protective sleeve, which actually would be great for storage. It's like a cloth sleeve. This is a lighter color, mint blue. And I think this is actually nice because you know how everyone's luggage is black, and you can easily see this mint blue when it comes off of the luggage belt. There we go. I'm going to give you my first impressions of the luggage. I didn't want to get really well informed. I wanted to see what my reaction is to the luggage as if I had just purchased it like you will. So here we go. First thing is these wheels are awesome, very easily rolling. And let's see how the handle comes up. Smooth. Oh. It looks like it's got several heights, so at least 2 there. So I'm short, and for me, that is really nice. That's a very nice height. And for my husband, who is a lot taller than me, I'm sure he will like that a lot better. It has a lock built in. They have a TSA key there, so you could lock it before you actually take off. Oh, and it pops right open. So you basically, let's see, it looks like you put these in here. I'm sure there's information here on how to set your lock for your own combination, and it pops open. That's really nice. For me, that'll be really nice in hotel rooms because I have a lot of camera equipment, electronics, and sometimes I just need something more than the safe just to have it like put away. So having a lock on this luggage will be something that I have not had before. We have a nice soft handle here, which is great. I like that. And we have also one on the side, which is great for getting it off, you know, luggage, or just a nice horizontal handle as well. Does not look like it has a pocket for an ID card, so it looks like you'll have to attach your your identification and your luggage tags right to this handle here. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Easy zipper. So really nice. They have dividers here. So there's two sides to your luggage. And this is a mesh divider. And it's got like a lining, one of those compression things. I love these because you get your clothes in and then you can just get them to pop down a little bit. You've got both of your the little channels that the luggage handle go in. I know that the soft-sided luggage that I've been traveling with has that as well, and I don't know how you get around that. But I always put my shoes down here in little rows, and that seems to work well with the little channels there. So that's one side of your luggage. This would be nice. You know, my husband and I, we travel. Sometimes we want to share a case, and to have it divided like this is actually really nice. So this side looks like there are two mesh pockets right there. And again, it's zippers. These are nice solid zippers. I like the feel of them. And then this side, you don't have your channels, and it is identical to the other side with your compression portion and your mesh on the top, except with the pockets. So that is a really nice feel to it. And it's sturdy, not super hard, but certainly much better than the soft-sided luggage we have been traveling with for most of our travels. So the second one we're going to take a quick look at here is the 28-inch Luminous in black. So a very classic case. This is a large checking case. We are excited. We're going to be taking and putting this Level 8 luggage through its paces in Antarctica. And we really needed a big case for our large coats and our boots, etc. So our cold weather gear. You know, this is like a Joe versus the volcano, like a really solid, almost like a trunk. So very big. Our only worry, I think it will fit under the bed for the cruise for storage, but we're going to measure it and I'll see if I can get some information on that as to whether this will fit under the bed like most of our other luggage does when we're on a cruise. If it doesn't, I think we have a new nifty coffee table in the room, but I'll let you know what that is going to be like. So similar to the smaller luggage, you have the two zippers that lock in right over here. Same as the other smaller case, you have so this has got a little bit of texture to it, which is nice. I think it will show scuffing less than if it did not. You've got your soft handle on the side and your soft handle also on the top. I guess before we unzip it, let's wheel this a bit and see what that feels like. Very easy on this surface. Of course, we will take it out on real world surfaces when we take this case with us on our Antarctica cruise. There we go. All right, so it's very similar to the other case in that you have a larger and a smaller side, and you've got a mesh divider. And here you go. This is the side that has your channels on it. Very deep side. You can fit all sorts of stuff in here. You've got a compression at the top. Well, it's compression bands. I love the gray interior. It's actually quite nice. Two mesh pockets here that zip open, very roomy. And then on this side, you have a less deep side. When I'm using the soft-sided cases, I generally have a bag that contains my dresses or my husband's jackets. And you're not going to get that in this particular hard case. But because it has the shallow side, I think this is where I would end up putting those folded as if they were in a garment bag. And I could probably even fit a small garment bag in here. I may try that. For our upcoming cruise, depends on if we can get both of our jackets and boots on this side of the case. And that it is. That is your 28-inch Luminous hard case from Level 8 Luggage. As I said, it really feels like a trunk luggage you could take anywhere. All right, my husband has been officially fired from camera work, and he is going to do the unboxing of the Level 8 Roadrunner Pro carry-on. This is a 20-inch case, and as you can see, it also comes in a nice drawstring protective bag. And we are particularly excited about this Level 8 carry-on because it comes with a pocket for a laptop and a port for laptop charging. All right, here we go. And this one is a navy blue. We've brought it up to my office. We're also going to try the wheels out on some carpeting. As you know, that can be a problem in hotels. So there it is. Very nice looking. It has, again, the lock as all the others do, and it has your nice soft handle on the top. Take a look inside. Yep, also a handle on the side of it. And again, it's like a miniaturized version of the Luminous luggage that we've looked at. Has the compression on one side. It has two small pockets for the divider, which I really like in a carry-on luggage. And then, as you can see, the other side as well. So it's got the two sides, the compression, and as mentioned, the pockets, which makes for a pretty nice carry-on. Here is the very cool pop-open carry-on outside pocket for your laptop. I'm really excited to try that on the road. And there you also have your ports that will let you charge your laptop on the go. Charging brick not included. And just arrived the 28-inch Voyageur luggage with the wide handle. As you can see, that wide handle allows you to not have that deep channel like you do in the other Luminous bags that I showed you. So that is a larger packing area. We will be taking a much closer look at this luggage on my celebration cruise this week. And here you can see the difference in size between my old soft case Travel Pro and my new Voyageur luggage. So we shall see what I can pack in here. It looks like there will be plenty of room. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of the Level 8 luggage. So far, I'm impressed with the classic looks and style. I like the weight of the luggage and the features. In the next couple of months, I'll travel with the luggage and then can give you a full review. And I'll tell you what I think of this luggage specifically for cruising. If you are ready to purchase Level 8 luggage now, please use the link in my video description below. You can get 10% off using the code D10, and for the month of November, use code PREBF20 for a 20% off Black Friday discount. Thank you for joining me. You've been watching Cruising with D.